Welcome back. Now we'll put and into some commonly used words. Then we'll place them back to back so you can compare them as minimal pairs. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Now we'll practice with words that have and a at the beginning. I'll say the first time slowly, so please repeat after me. X, it's your turn to repeat. And, Esther, L, axe, and, aster, owl. Let's practice them as minimal pairs. X, axe. And. Esther, aster. L, owl. Next, we'll say words with our and a sound in the middle. Remember to repeat after me. Bag, said, head, met, bag, sad, had, mat. Let's say them back to back. Bag, bag. Said, sad. Head, had. Met, mat. Excellent. You did a great job. Please note that there is no word ending with or a in English. Now, let's make things interesting by putting some words into sentences. I'll repeat each one twice. You should feel free to say them after me. They have a happy ending. Now you try it, please. They have a happy ending. Why don't you give it another try? Easy, right? Let's do another. Everyone is happy with the plan. Everyone is happy with the plan. What about you doing it? Ready for another? Here we go. I begged her to give me the red bag. I begged her to give me the red bag. Why don't you try it? We're almost there. Only 2 sentences to go. Why are they heading to the upstairs balcony? Why are they heading to the upstairs balcony? Please give it a try now. Okay, here is our last sentence. Never eat jam after bedtime. Never eat jam after bedtime. It's your turn to do it. Wow, you did a great job. Here's a big gold star coming your way for all of your hard work. You should be more comfortable with these sounds now. If you want to spend a little more time working on them, please feel free to replay this video as many times as you like. See you in day 14. Bye!